This video will cover adding lodging expenses to an expense report. No matter if lodging was paid for with personal funds or with a travel card, the process for adding a lodging expense is essentially the same. The only difference is in how much information the Concur and Travel and Expense system already knows about the expense. For example, if your travel card was used, the system should already know the date and the amount of the expense. The first step was to create your expense report by completing the report header. Now it is time to add expenses to your expense report. If the lodging expense was paid for with a travel card, add the expense to your expense report and then select it from the left side of your screen. Please refer to the step-by-step video or guide adding travel card expenses for details. Verify the expense's expense type is hotel. If paid for with personal funds, select the expense type hotel, either individual or group depending on the type. If needed, enter your checkout date as the transaction date. Also, if needed, use the vendor drop-down to select the name of your hotel or begin typing your hotel's name. Please note, if your hotel is not part of the list, select Other and enter your hotel name in the comment field. Search for the location of your hotel if it doesn't already appear. If paid for with personal funds, enter the amount for which you are seeking reimbursement. Lodging expenses must be itemized to show on a daily basis the amount of each expense that occurred. Click the Itemize button. Use the calendar to select your check-in date. Also, verify the checkout date. The transaction date from the previous screen populates this for you. The duration of your stay is automatically calculated. Enter your actual nightly room charges, including taxes, in the recurring charges section. If you have different nightly room amounts, enter the least nightly room amount here, and then change the itemization, as we'll see later on. Click Save Itemizations. Your nightly lodging expenses are now itemized on the left side of your screen. You will notice there is a yellow icon. This means there is a required receipt. Click on the expense and then click the Attach Receipt button. Click the Browse button to upload a receipt that's been scanned to your computer, or select an image of the receipt you uploaded from the Concur mobile app. Once the receipt has been selected, click the Attach button. You will now see a tab for the receipt image. Click the Save button.